Nick.
That's not gonna fit, bro.
He's gonna.
Hurts my eyes.
Here, you try. Wow, it actually I have a huge head.
Rower.
Rower. Look, you look spicy and
That would be bad.
oh, I don't know.
Oh!
What this is?
It's a booty. Not like a butt, but like a foot booty.
Oh,
thing.
That's what it is.
Wait, I need to get a good shot. Oh, this is way too much fun. See, this is what happens when you come back to high school after you graduated. You do stupid things like this.
You have no live because you're leaving in like
3
less
weeks.
than a month.
I leave in 3 weeks, man. 3 weeks is...
Here we go. Oh, really?
Looking. I can't find the lever. Where's the lever, Gronk? It's cold. Where's the butt warmer? You won't go back.
It's broken. Anyway, so we're going to end today's vlog. I know it's a little random and just weird. But peace.
We're gonna make a movie soon.
Hopefully, yeah. I leave in 3 weeks, so we got to.
Let's go.
Peace, love, and happiness to your life and all your lives. We'll see you guys next time.
I love you.